Okay, I'm getting ready to determine the mass of my little device here. We want to note that it's on, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to check my accelerometer, and I'm going to check my force sensor. And we're going to start with the device sitting on the ground like this, and I'm going to hit record. So you're going to start to see that device. And now I'm going to lift it up, and I can actually get the device to show it, and I can place it down. And we've actually now measured the device, and I'm going to hit stop. Now I went ahead and left on the accelerometers in both the X and the Z direction. Don't necessarily have to do it for this particular one, but I do have it there. But I am going to use the analysis mode to determine the average acceleration and force. So this is where I'm going to click on my analysis mode. And so I'm going to come in and I'm going to highlight this area so I can get a good average. So when I look at this right here, and this is going to come from this artifact here for the AX and the AZ comes from the fact that I might have had a little bit of swinging, but I want to pay attention to what's in the AY. So this is giving me my mean or my average value for gravity, and we see that it's minus 9.780 meters per second squared. And that's because if I look at my device, I've got my Y pointed down, and so that's going to give me my acceleration due to gravity is actually going down. Similarly, I've got a force here, and we can see that I have an average force of 1.959 newtons. And so when I go back to my lab, I'm going to be able to write down my average acceleration and my average force. And you may want to go ahead and in your part of your lab, turn in this particular graph. And you're also going to determine the mass of the device by using a calculation. And we're going to go from there. Thank you very much and enjoy this portion of the lab.